Up and coming, a short teaser. No manifold gauges for recharge. Straight 3/4 inch hoses right into the vacuum. Your pressure, your temperatures for your refrigerant line temperature, your actual pressures will be wireless Bluetooth. Here's the wireless air temperature inlet, the wireless duct temperature, and you fill using your wireless scale through just one single hose only. It only takes less than 30 seconds to fill a system. When you're pulling your vacuum straight down, you actually can record the progress on a spreadsheet or a data diagram, save the image and save the file, and put it in your customer's invoice to prove that you actually pull the vacuum down to somewhere 100 or 200 or 300 microns. No hearsay by somebody lying that they actually did it to shorten their job.